Welcome to another Loop platform tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a project and activities for a product. A product can go through different stages from design, production, or delivery, and the activities in between can differ depending on the company and the product itself. So, to start creating a project and then the activities, you can do it from the Critical Path app or from the product. I'm going to show you. If you access to the Critical Path app, all the projects or critical path created in the workspace for different products will be listed. You can create a new one by clicking on the new button, and the form to start creating the new critical path will be displayed. But as I mentioned before, you can create it directly from the product. So I'm going to look for a product, for example, this one. And here you should click on the tab Critical Path. Here, all the different projects related to this product will be listed. To start creating a new one, click on the new button and the form will be displayed again. Here, you should complete all the mandatory fields to create it. For example, the code. Here I've got an auto-numeric numbering, but you can define the code you need manually here. I'm just going to use critical path. Okay, I'm going to define the description, critical or project for AX line shirt. You should select a calendar, let's say calendar 2022, the workflow template with all the activities that this product will go through, for example, garments. And you can, this is not mandatory, but you can complete it if you need the order reference number if you're making a purchase order in one of these activities, the quantity. You can select which one of the users is the buyer. You can add any comments. So the plan type is how the dates for each one of these activities is going to be calculated. If you select backward, this means that this last activity should be finished on May the 12th. But if you select forward, the system will calculate each one of the dates, taking into account that the trend analysis, that is the first one, is going to start on May the 12th. So I will click on calculate, and the system will calculate the dates for each one of them for you. Once you're ready, you click on save, and the new project or a critical path will be created. From here, you can keep on editing the critical path, making any adjustments, changing the users in charge, the dates, and so on. And for example, if these activities that are in the template that in the workflow code that you picked up before when you were creating it are not enough, or maybe there's another activity that this project for this product needs to have, you can click on the add button here and add a new activity. So once you have already planned the project and you're ready to create the activities, you can click here on create activities. So the activities now are generated. And for example, the trend analysis, let's say that the user in charge is Nick Bolton, but maybe there is a team behind the trend analysis. So you can invite other users to collaborate on this activity. From here, if you click on this icon, you will open the activity. You can change the description, you can change, of course, the user in charge, you can see the status, and as well you can access to the collaborators window again. If the activity is closed, you can close it from here. So we're going to close it. And now I will reload this page so you can see that now this one is closed. Okay, and from here, you can access to the critical path report that is going to show you in a Gantt each one of the activities. Let's say months. So now you can see each one of them. And also from here, you can see the relationship map. This one is unassigned. This version is unassigned because we didn't assign it to any of the activities we created. But I'm going to show you that from the product. If we access to a product, we can assign this first version to this activity. Trend analysis. I'm going to click on save. And here you can see now that the first version is assigned to the trend analysis. So from here as well, you can see it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.